You spend when you eat garlic and honey fasting for 7 days. It is really impressive. Garlic is one of the ingredients that are most commonly used in cooking the world. There is a good taste to eat, but is also very powerful and can cure many diseases. Oil consumption can be a surprisingly strong medicine because it reduces high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It helps prevent heart disease and heart attack. In addition, you can stop the effects of atherosclerosis. In addition, garlic may help control the symptoms of osteoarthritis, diabetes and an enlarged prostate. Garlic can remove immunity and the body's ability to eliminate toxins. When combined with onions and ginger, detoxification of chemotherapy can help. The best way to consume raw garlic is due to allicin. Crush and cut the tooth and leave for 15 minutes before use. To crush it, a reaction that activates the most bioavailable allicin. It should be eaten on an empty stomach because when the stomach overwhelmed with food, it is difficult to process and absorb all the nutrients from the diet. Garlic with honey fasting. Preparation: 2 to 3 garlic cut into small pieces. Mix with a tablespoon of honey. If this combination is taken every day, you have more energy and feel healthy. In addition, you will lose weight.